He's almost over or under one.
He's under. Get the bait up. Yeah, dip your rod, tip down real low, Kelly. Is that?
Yes.
Get your rod
On the outside, still coming on around. He's in the inside.
Go ahead and drop that yellow rope down.
George, I put your Seaview rod over by the tank.
Good. Hey, clear those guys off the rail down that way.
Off the rail. Going that way, guys. Once we got into some nicer water, came good.
We got the gas ready.
Get that ready. Got 3 gas left. How many lines you got out there?
It's
Ain't got much now. Get it on. Get it real, please. Get your rubber band down there, Kelly. You gotta get up to that light pole. Get up to that pole.
It's a king, it is a king, it is a king. He's turning. He's turning back. Kelly, come back.
Get him up.
Get him up, get him up, get him up.
Get his head up, Kelly.
Get in front, get in front, get in front.
Come on. Oh, one got down.
You got him. All right, he's coming in. All right, yes. Coming in. King Mackerel.
Push out.
Hooked in the head. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, Kelly. Hooks just popped out, Kelly.
Kelly, don't worry about it. Your hooks are right here. Okay, bye. Just disconnect the clothespin and then reel the slack around the pole.